Hey guys, happy Monday. It's only a 3-day work week. For me, I get paid for the 4th, but we have Friday off, no pay, just what I need. This is my lunch today. I am trying the Performix protein cookie, 2 net carbs, 16 grams of protein, and then I have this remaining amount of the chicken, broccoli, and bacon and cheese that I made in my collab with burnt ginger. So this is what I'm having for lunch today. I will see you guys after work. Hey guys, not really a long vlog today. This is dinner. I have the salad again. This time there's no cucumber on it, and it's hemp hearts and flaxseed ranch and cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to have a protein cookie because my protein is pretty low. I have 3 of the brats. I have some red hot pork rinds with some sour cream, mustard for the brats, and then I will have my yogurt later. I am a little bit over on my fat and a little bit under on my protein. So, I don't know. But this is what's for dinner. So, I'm just going to end today's vlog because I'm kind of tired and I just want to like lay on the couch and watch TV. I'm really full and annoyed that I've been having problems. Like, I did so good with keeping my protein higher than my fats, and then like, I don't know, I'm struggling to keep my proteins higher, and I mean, they're decent. I'm not mad at them. I just don't know why I can't keep my proteins up. Why I'm having such a hard time. But I'm just looking at Link. Yeah, I was talking to you, buddy. All right, closing the vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you need anything from me, feel free to reach out. I am here always. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. It's July 1st. I gotta go pick a winner. Let's go upstairs and turn on the computer, shall we? Sorry, it's dark. Oh, so hey, hi. I forgot it was July 1st. That means it's time for me to pick a winner on my giveaway. So let's go to... Okay, I'm going to turn this around. All right. Pick a winner. And running a contest on this video, click the button below to pick a random commenter. Pick winner. Oh, Heather, you won. Heather is the winner, Heather Grimm. She is always commenting and she is very helpful on helping me get to my watch hours. So I'm glad that she won. Heather, go ahead and just comment in this video. I'm sure that you will, and then I will be in contact with you. Congratulations.